Raining right now. There's a storm coming from Louisiana and it's heading this way. It's supposed, I think it's, yeah, from the weekend. It's Monday today. So I will ask the rain to stop. Rain, stop pouring. Rain, stop pouring. Stop raining. So the raindrops on the tree, the reflection on the tree there. See, the raindrops is big, you know. So let's see. It is getting smaller. Now it's almost invisible. Rain, stop. Rain, stop raining. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. It stopped. Wow. I could hardly see the raindrops. Just focus on the trees area because that's where I try to focus so I can see the raindrops. Look, the sky is very, very dark. The rain almost stopped. You guys can do this, but I know it's hard for others, but look, I asked the rain to stop and it stopped. And there's a storm coming. See? There's hardly no there's no more terrain. See the reflection in the water? See that there? There's hardly no raindrops. I focus my lens on the tree section because I could see the raindrops. And see the reflection there on there? See, there's hardly no raindrops. See, it stopped. And it's 3 minutes and 15 seconds.